subscribe with notifications on.
Comes to be like his long way to South Africa.
It becomes like a Khoza.
So him is like a Khoza.
Maybe it's because of.
I must go back to the Khoza or where I must go because I hate foreigner now, but I love foreigner. I don't know.
You see, but she's right. You know what? She's right.
Guys,
You know, you know what? No, she's right. Sometimes, I think it's the environment. The environment. If maybe he gotten to be familiar with how Khoza people
Maybe
live.
so Khoza friends.
Yeah, the influence.
Yeah,
Maybe the
Khoza
influence.
friends.
You understand? Because you feel like now it's like as if you made a mistake.
You feel like now you can go back to South
You can go back to South Africa.
All of them.
You see now. Yeah, you see now.
Now, you even feel like maybe it's a Congolese. Now she doesn't want any Congolese.
Yeah, because of
Any
now.
Congolese
Because of the
now, because
abuse.
she feels like maybe all of them are just.
But I hear,
And Congolese, they are like the men of Congolese, what I see, they are like a woman. They talk too much. They gossip but they are men. I hate you, Congolese. From anger. It's me, Cynthia, for fish. Oh, you be watching this, okay? Thank you.
So my sister, what you are saying to me is that some women out there who are dating foreigners, they are those who went into a relationship, right? And then they were actually happy to enter into the relationship, but after a while, as they continue dating with these foreigners, some of them they end up regretting, why did I end up dating a foreigner? Is that what you're saying?
Yes.
So guys, are you guys hearing a lot of you guys, South Africans, women, who are saying you love dating foreigners?
Guys, I'm disappointed that she's disappointed, or she's getting disappointed because of the foreigner guys, because I trusted them. Yo, I'm like
Yeah, and I think she's not the only one. I think there are some people, there are some women. They do abuse. They do abuse, especially Nigerians. I hear but Nigerians.
I suggest you guys, Ubana, you protect your foreign guys from being
mixing up with
being
South Africans. Because I think that is actually coming from the influence came from South Africans. Because South Africans are the only one that I know that they are abusive when it comes to women.
But do you think Balini was influenced with that?
I don't know.
Was he like this when we first met with him?
No, he was so sweet.
You
Since
see,
he came
you see,
to location.
yeah, you see, yes, it's influence.
Yeah, because
Yeah.
he was
Yeah, he was after how many years did he start beating you?
I think it's like I don't know.
When you met
our child is like
when you met him,
like 4 years.
you started changing.
Yeah,
After 4 years.
I don't know.
So it's been like this for let's
For
say
5
more
years.
than
Yeah.
for 6 years now. It's been like this. More than
And
6
when
years.
it's rude, it's rude.
Yeah, so it's guys.
Hey guys, what is this again? Yo, I don't know if it's Congolese guys. They like going like.
Wait, it's them.
Eh?
It's them. It's them. It's rude. Now it's like a dog, like bad moon.
What is and it's painful, eh?
They like going like when they talk.
But I think they're better.
I think she remembers.
But guys,
She goes,
but guys, they are better. Guys, but I think they are better. Have you ever heard Nigerians?
Does he also do that? Does he also do that?
So does he also do that? Hey, I'm surprised.
I went out with my friend.
Yeah.
Which is my didn't know this.
My friend was like, Tom, let's go out. Okay, we went out. But I didn't know Basi Yakobani, which kind of people. I know kind of Congolese. Imagine. Smelling.
How can these guys, what's wrong? Don't they bath or what?
If we buy attitude, she was very hyper and happy. It was like, I don't know, not you suck up girl. Looks clean. When you enter, this punila bemyangu. His socks,
Hi!
shoes, condom,
Hi guys!
What? Talk to your friend. She said in attitude that.
So,
I girl. That's which attitude. Please don't try me.
so kahle.
You know what they cook? They asked us, are you guys hungry? My love food show.
Yeah.
I was like, yes, I'm hungry. And then he was like, oh, now you don't have attitude, you're hungry. It's like, yes, I'm hungry. Tin of fish and a chicken. Imagine, we are mixed.
Hi!
Fish and chicken together.
Tin of fish, even
Tin of fish and chicken.
Tin of fish and chicken together in one pot.
I get it. They are used of eating this type of food they are eating out from home. Exactly. You know what happened? When I was in Johannesburg, I was so hungry. I went to buy food outside. I found this guy selling food out on the street. I bought food. Can I really know it was a Nigerian food? I took it. I went to my flat.
But how was it?
Yo, when I ate, the smell of that food. I said, no. I didn't eat. I slept hungry. I decided, let me just drink tea. You will never eat their food. Their food is so. The dishes stays in the wardrobe.
I'm telling you. Now you show things there.
On the shoe place. So
Saltfish, where is this saltfish stay? Where is eating saltfish? You have a saltfish, that fish that is dry.
Salt, yeah.
Salt. Ask her where the saltfish stays.
Where does it stay? The saltfish.
Into the shoes.
Yeah?
Guys, what's wrong with these foreigners?
He was like, okay, girls, I'm gonna cook you fish. I'm like, which fish, Lorena? Which fish? Which fish? Nah, I didn't eat it. From the start, they told me that I have attitude. Nah, when I enter your door, your house must be neat.
And then you're waiting for a visitor. Why you don't clean here for that moment that the
Guys, are foreigners, all of them? Are they all of them like this?
But I don't think all Congolese are like this. But now I once stayed in a flat where there was Congolese guys.
One thing about
but when she's saying, some of them it's more like Bangangati. It's true.
What is
like,
Ngangati?
It's true, like
lot of shoes.
I don't know.
What is
it's like they're having petrol in. I don't know.
It's like I don't know. Maybe I don't know if they sweat a lot or what. But
Oily, so
too oily. I don't know. But now sometimes I was even scared to use the toilet. Like we're sharing one bathroom. So sometimes because when you share a bathroom, there's also a bath. Before I use a bath, I will do a spring clean because I was like, yo.
Now we'll never do a spring clean.
I'll do a spring clean.
I'll wear my clothes. I'll go home.
No, I was staying with them. I was sharing a flat with them. She knows. I was sharing a flat with them.
So that's how they live in South Africa.
That guy. They are not all of them are like that. Not all of them are like
Not
that.
all of them.
But there are some who are like that.
I think
like,
those young one, the one that he comes here for education, they are very smart.
Yeah,
Sure.
those ones.
Yeah, but the one that they coming to hustle, like you to work,
Problem.
guard, security, trolley boy, mechanic. Yeah, it's those ones that
But what do you think? What do you think? But they are tired. They can't bath because
and
they are tired.
they keep money. You see when that they come with that money for cars.
That is the reason why I
they
still
keep
get like
coins. A lot of that until that coins is 4,000 for rent. They eat bread with a small little of fish with small soup. That big bread that is not sliced. They eat like and then. They like to use other people. They like to use a nice person that is nicer to them, eating other men's money, drinking his money.
Wow,
eating
guys. Congolese.
people. Make sure you even hating the person that is dating with that person because you want to eat him nicely. Congolese.
Patung.
I only don't hate my men. I hate Congolese because that man I'm 17 years with him. And then you give him a bad advice because you want to eat him. He's my father of my child. He's a South Africa because of me. Understand?
Yes.
And he's gonna be with me. We are 17 years
together.
And I fire what to doing or what to saying or what to say
about
in the name of Jesus.
Exactly.
For God, he's gonna be fine. I'm not gonna leave him because of you people.
Exactly.
I don't
it's
hate
South Africans who did
I don't
this.
hate him. I know one day he's gonna be fine.
I think it's South Africans.
She's not. She's saying it's not a South African who influenced him. It's actually Congolese guys who are treating him like a brother, who are supposed to be like a brother to him. So what's happening is
they must go and fuck around, buying a boost, different boosts. They want a place with a woman. Even if there's a party, now we stand to my house. If they come there, we make some beer. Oh, where's the ladies? You must come as your friends. Where's your friends? So they want it. So now I'm not like that anymore because I'm not a teenager. If they come to my house, they must come and visit. No friends. We're not coming. And then they leave their girlfriend, mama, children there. They just, they think they dress nice with a suit. Gray suit like a big madam. And then say, where's the woman? I asked her, no, man, there's no woman. Who's that lady? But you have your children there.
Exactly.
Some of them, they have a wife even to Congo.
So they don't want to grow.
They don't want to grow.
Some of them, they have a Congolese wife that they coming here, making funny steps, cheating around, sleeping around. Some of them,
Congolese wives.
They eat other men to go and fuck a woman. Like how can you eat your friend's money? You come with your girlfriend, you don't have a man, you tell your friend to buy the beer and then you go
and for your friend and for your girlfriend as well.
You guys like it, them they want my men to do that. So you want to be out of what they're doing. But they push
Don't worry, we will help
That's
you.
what they do.
We will help you to go out of that place.
If that woman is not nice for you. We must go and enjoy, dress nice.
They're influencing.
They're influencing.
No,
so it's actually not South Africans who are influencing him. It's his Congolese brothers who are influencing.
You know what, Nate? I think these foreigners, they are using our South African girls. Are you getting my point? Like she was saying.
No. What she's trying to say is she's out of that playing time, whatever the time they used to have. But when his Congolese friends come to her house, they expect her boyfriend to be the same as
where's the ladies?
asking for